Hi guys, welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. We'll see another video session on body section. In previous video session, I made very clear regarding header section. In this video session, at least we'll observe a few things in the body section. Body is the major part in entire the HTML document. Whatever we are implementing in the body section, everything visible to us. Whereas in the head section, logical part. Now I made very clearly definition. Body section contains text, images, video, audios, frames, forms, films, graphics, etc. Body also paid tag. Inside the body section, there are the several local attributes available. These attributes we are calling as element specific attributes. Body tag common attributes are BG color, text, background. These are the three attributes commonly available with the body. BG color, changing background color of the web page, text, changing the text color of the web page, and a background we can keep an image on the body. Now this body section supports some attributes, already attributes I read. But before we are going to work with attributes, what is an attribute? What is the importance of an attribute? What is a parameter? Attribute means it is an added strength to the tag. So every tag having generally attributes. Some tags are having none attributes. Some are one attribute. Some are more attributes. Attribute is nothing but property. In HTML we are calling as attribute. Every attribute has the related parameter. What is a parameter? Parameter is nothing but a value which we are supplying to an attribute. Then attribute related information we are going to observe. Simple, I made here very clearly. HTML tags can contain one or more attributes. I said none also available. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Attribute never we are specifying in the end tag. And value, attribute value always we are enclosing with double quotes, single quotes, no quotes. But as per W3C standard, double quotation is always valid. Like that, a few points available on your screen, just read out. Parameters. Parameters are the values that was an attribute, I said already. So this is the syntax and this is the example. Commonly we are showing this, and whenever we are going to start with that, so tag body, attribute BG color, parameter is blue. I said there are the different types of attributes available. Before we are going to attributes, practically we can try to observe this. As usual, doc type already explained, HTML, lang already explained, en-in, header section, title. I am providing Naresh IT Technologies, title close, meta char set is equal to -8, header section close, body open, body close, HTML close. Welcome to HTML document body section. Just save it, come to the concerned web page, refresh. Welcome to HTML document body section, title available Naresh IT Technologies. Right, once you are coming back to our script, we are applying attributes here. BG color is equal to, I am writing yellow, double quotation, single quotation, no quotation. Again I am coming back to my script and I am writing text is equal to red. Save it, and I am coming to source code. I am providing background is equal to the concerned image I am providing. Save it, refresh it. Actually, one time only image I added. It is coming n number of times. If you are decreasing the screen, it is going to be increasing. You are increasing the same, it is going to decrease. No, I want only one image because one image only added. So that time we are unable to control by using HTML. You need to control this image with the help of cascading style sheets. Definitely we can see. But first, before going to that, this is global path. Already explained related to that in the favicon video. Global path means my HTML file, my image, both are in the same location. Now, image I am changing, for example, that is one animated image I am keeping, .gif, save it, and if you are going to run that, refresh, right, this is animated image. So decrease that, perfectly whatever the page available, within fraction of seconds I made colorful. So that is the power of attribute. Attribute is added strength to the tag, added advantage to the tag. More attributes are there, tag is more powerful. Less attribute, tag is less power. No attributes, tag is no power. So tag capacity depends on number of attributes. Now these attributes are local attributes we are calling, element specific attributes we are calling. Now my image available in another location. Now I want to check that image. For example, my image available in my system in pictures area. If I am going to pictures folder in a Windows environment, commonly some kind of pics available, you can take from there. Otherwise, if pictures not available, I will go to pictures area. I will take some pictures from that area. For example, HTML, here number of images I saved. So I am taking a few images, different category images I am taking. Just these images I am keeping, I am showing right from scratch. Now right click on that image, properties, copy the path, right click, correctly you need to select, right click, copy it, go to your resource area, paste there, backslash, what is the image you need to take? Image name is 7.jpg, no problem, number or name or anything, just jpg, right jpg. JPEG we are calling joint pictures export group, jpg also we can write. Now I am trying to execute on my web browser, yes, unable to run. I made already why it is unable to run in the previous video session, because local path browser unable to recognize. Some browsers, mainly Firefox, unable to recognize. If I am going to other browser, for example Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mini Opera, Apple Safari, UC web browser, there are the different web browsers available. I will try to show you on other web browsers. For example, I open Google Chrome. There I am displaying my image, perfectly displaying. So Google Chrome supporting, Firefox not supporting, because local path problem is some browsers perfectly, some browsers unable to. That time we are providing file path. How we are providing that? File : // file, save it, any browser supports perfectly. Any browser perfectly support. How to control this image? I will show you definitely. So this is your background image. For example, my image available on another website. So from that website I want to bring to my web page. Actually practice purpose you can do this, but in the real time industry it must not be implemented like this. Okay, for example, I want to do click on the Gmail. Once if you are clicking on the Gmail, it is going to Gmail, or this logo also okay, acceptable, or here also logo available. Just right click on that and you can take into account. So come down, different images available. Just you can take App Store, right click on that, properties, and once you are going to properties, copy that. Once you are copying, and the path you can paste in your source code area. This is we are calling as web path, right? And go to your browser, refresh. Yes, perfectly display. Like this, we can bring pictures from other websites or other web pages also. Practice, purpose, legal, all these are. But whenever you are going to work in the real time industry, please don't do like this, because these are completely copyrights restricted. Now I am going to same application. I want to bring this. Definitely right click and you can bring it. This one also. Right, for example, a website available, NareshIT.com. NareshIT.com. Here also several images available. Yes, we can bring those images also. Click on, right click on logo and you can copy the path, you can provide. But always the path not visible to us. Sometimes if you are going to some kind of websites, okay, I'll open that. For example, okay, now I am taking one kind of website like, okay, Gmail only I am taking. Yes, inside the Gmail, what available? So available here. So I want to bring this. Right click, properties, and path is not there. So whenever path not available, we are unable to work with that. Of course, there are several ways available, but frankly means we are unable to. So whenever you are going to inspect element like that also we can copy. So this is about your background attribute. Now here color name we can specify, color codes we can specify. This color codes information is nothing but hexadecimal color code system. But before we are going to the color code system, I mentioned different types of attributes. Element specific attributes, local attributes. A tag which is having particular attributes exclusively for that tag only. Those are called element specific attributes. Global attributes, these are only we are calling standard attributes. Using these attributes we can apply on any tag. For example, previously our question is that why unnecessarily diagram is repeating here. That question I want to clear. So now for example, this app store is repeating, no? Now I am writing. Just observe. In CSS classes very clearly we can see style, background repeat, no repeat. Means I am going to control my image repetition on the web page. Excellent property. Like this, in the CSS we can do marvelous things. So there we can observe, but global property means I shown very clearly to you, applicable on any tag. ID is a global, lang is a global. Already we did that lang. So like this, spell check, all these are global attribute. Global attribute alias name is standard attributes, common attributes, dynamic attributes, different names available. Next one, event handler is nothing but JavaScript related. All are, whenever you are performing an action on a particular object, the related event occurred. Click, double click, load, on unload, like this different, blur, focus. Of course, every event starts with on keyword. So like this available. If you are going to see that kind of information, especially we need to see about the JavaScript environment. So scripting level we can observe all these things. Script type is equal to text or JavaScript. Language is equal to JavaScript. Then you can write function. Just I am showing one small example by saying this. Don't think this is a JavaScript class, but the situation came, that is a small example I am showing. Alert, I am showing Naresh IT Technologies, Naresh IT Technologies, right? What is alert also I'll explain in the scripting classes. Then script close, and you can say same thing simply inside the body, and you can add one button on click is equal to, and you can write that my fun my fun and close. Then you can see, click me any text you can say, button related information means related words means better I said. So meaningful means this is also you can keep head section, and you closed within the script means head section. Write available, previously whatever information available, a few seconds I am going to cut that. This is, so this is script part, script close. Now I am coming to button level and I am trying to execute this. Just make bigger and it is script. Naresh IT Technologies. So like this, information available related to event attributes. After that I am coming to optional attributes. Type is always an optional attribute. I am coming back to my previous example. Here only directly available type I am removing. Type, just cut it. Type removed, and welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. For your confirmation purpose I am changing. Welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. So whenever I can say welcome to Naresh IT Technologies, save, and I am executing same example on different browser and click on that, now different message came. And for example same kind of information and I need to copy to another web browser. Now here I want to see, yes, and it is asking allowed because by default it doesn't. Why? In JavaScript classes we can see script on that. Welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. So this is event attributes related. Event attributes related type is always optional, or CSS related type is always optional. So optional type of attributes. Other attributes also available. This is related to attributes information. What is an attribute? Attribute is a special strength to the tag, nothing but property. Every attribute ends with value. Value within single quotation, double quotation, no quotation. Finally I am coming to another one is color code system. What is a color code system? How we need to remember these color codes? We need to observe theoretically one by one, then I will show you practically. Yeah, as I discussed already with you, hexadecimal color code system. So 16 colors are web safe colors. This is the way we can implement hexadecimal color code system. To save our time, completely implemented already on the board very clearly. First, hexa 6, we know already that. Small a to f or capital A to f, both are available. Decimal means 10, 0 to 9. Primary colors red, green, blue, the range is there. 0 to 255 means 256. Like that, 3 colors, 256 into 256 into 256. So 16 million values you are getting, or 16 million colors. So mathematical calculation means values. Our colors means 16 million colors we are getting. How? Every color represents 2 digits code. Red RR, green GG, blue BB. Like that 6 digits will come. Plus color code starts with hash symbol. Total 7. So whenever we are writing these colors, least starting with 0, because 0 to 255. 0 least 255 F, either capital F or small f. So this is the 0 0, 2 digits I said. So whenever you are saying 2 digits, 0 0, so no color. And if you are coming to highest color, F, FF, 2 digits, dark color. So once we are coming to color codes format, it has a different color codes available here. So we'll observe practically that what is color code system, and one by one. Now these color codes available, red, green, blue, and starting with hash, I provided FF means red color available, and I said 0, no green, 0, no blue. Means 0 means don't think one single digit, already I made 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. These 2 colors absent, I said no color. This is only present, red color available. Again, red, green, blue. Observe, hash starting, 0 0 means no, red absent, FF means green present, 0 0 means blue absent. So output is a green. Red, green, blue. Again, first hash starting, 0 0 means red absent, 0 0 means green absent, FF means blue present, output is a blue. Red, green, blue. Hash starting, 0 0 means red absent, 0 0 green absent, 0 0 blue absent, means black color. Generally people are thinking white color. Sorry, least color and among all those colors is black. Costly color, highest color is white. That is FF, 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 white. So like this we can develop 16 million color codes. These color codes practical implementation will try to observe on the system. Right, color codes information one by one. So as per W3C standard, there are the several color names available. These color names we are calling web safe colors. These are the 16 safe colors as per W3C standard. But these 16 colors unable to satisfy client requirement. That time we are coming to color code system, that is hexadecimal color code system. Practically hexadecimal color code system is completely related to digital format. For that we can view one example on that simply. For example, I am not writing any formalities directly, body and body. And body inside bg color is equal to quotation start hash. As I said, every color code starts with hash. ff red color, 00 no color, 00 no color, close, save and run on the web page. Red color means color code system remembering is little bit difficult but easy also. That is the reason nowadays different color pickers available free of cost. If you are going to HTML5, input type is equal to color, if you can say directly color picker can display. Now some text I am entering. What text I am entering? For example, my organization name I am entering, technologies. Whenever I am entering Naresh IT technologies, good, and let me copy. So like this several times I am copying. Once you copy that, I am changing text color. Text equal to, I said for example hash, every color code starts with 00 no color, 00 no color, ff blue color. Right, come to web page and execute. Naresh IT technologies. Like this color code system is very useful for us. This color code system already I discussed with you very clearly on the board. Thank you for watching my videos. Catch me for more videos, youtube.com/NareshIT.